Take out the machine and its accessories. Use a screwdriver to fix holders on the three sides of the machine. There are two spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the IRF handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the Lable laser applicators to the machine. Put all accessories into corresponding holders. Make sure all are connected properly and then press power switch to start the machine. Choose body RF function. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 minutes on each area is recommended. RF energy range is 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. RF mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes available. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. NOR is fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed. Pro is smart mode. The red light goes on and energy slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF gel or eye essence to the areas evenly before treatment. Choose the phase RF function. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF gel or phase essence to the areas evenly before treatment. Choose Vacuum and RF function. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. Set the parameters of the suction time and the release time. Suction time adjustment range 0 to 2, 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time adjustment range 0 to 2, 0 to 0.8 is recommended. The suction time should be always longer than release time. When release time is 0, the handpiece is in the status of constant suction. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. The knob for adjusting suction level is on the top of the machine. Adjust it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Choose 40K function. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is constant working mode, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation and need to reduce fat. Mode 2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Mode selection. Mode 2 is recommended for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel to the areas evenly before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take this treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Choose IRF function. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 NS level is recommended. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Choose hot and cold function. 5 to 10 minutes on each target area is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. 2 modes available, cold mode and hot mode. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel or face essence to the areas evenly before treatment. Choose Bio function. 10 to 15 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode selection. There are 2 modes available. Mode 1, low frequency electric current. Mode 2, high frequency electric current. Adjust NS level based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric current are not suitable to use this handpiece. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off, turn off the light. Something about the photon therapy. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and remove acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate grease secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply face essence to the target area before treatment. It is recommended that this handpiece be used when the face mask is applied. Choose Lable laser function. 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. The upper row of bars displays the NS level of large laser applicators. The triangle sign indicates the NS level of corresponding laser applicator can be adjusted. When the triangle sign appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all large laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle sign appears above the other bar, the NS level of corresponding large laser applicator can be adjusted. The lower row of bars displays the NS level of small laser applicators. When the triangle sign appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all small laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle appears above the other bar, the NS level of corresponding small laser applicator can be adjusted. 3 modes. Mode 1. The laser is constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. Mode 2. The laser flashes with low frequency, suitable for those who want to shape body. Mode 3. The laser flashes with high frequency, suitable for those who are slightly fat or want to slim down. Adjust the time, mode, and anise level based on the needs of treatment receiver. Fix the laser applicators on the treatment area with binding strip. Press button to begin the treatment.